Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update. And now Jasmy is trading at 9,167. We're looking at Bitcoin making some green candles, and this is all the effect of what Bitcoin is doing right now. But unfortunately, I still do not, support Jasmy at the moment right now, because the bear flag is still there. This is still hanging there. The bear flag is in effect. It's not invalidated just yet. What I do want to see for Jasmy though is that it finally tries to move up to 10,000 probably, and cross 10,000, come back a little bit for the retest at 9,500, and that's where I can actually say we're good to go. Perhaps we're good to go to 11,000. So yeah, it's a green candle. It's an amazing green candle, but today's closing is also important. You never know if you end up making a wick to the upside and then go back down, because the weekend is around the corner. The bear flag technical target is still pending, so you really got to be careful in this scenario right now. So look how many times we've ended up with the wicks to the upside. One time wick, second time wick to the upside. This one, I think you can still end up making a wick because of how weekend is coming around the corner. If however you do end up making a bullish closing like this and doesn't become a wick, that's gonna be one small positive sign, but still tomorrow can actually be something like this: go back for the retest and fail the retest and go back down. Okay, so retest is going to be important. Even if you do some bullish closing, that would be amazing. Come down for the retest, maybe make an entry at the retest, and you can actually make a small scalping here for like 10%, who knows, like nearly 4.8% scalping can actually be possible. So that's pretty much it for this Jasmy update. Very quick one. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.